Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet the bead stitch, which has a neat dotted texture. To begin, chain 41 or any odd number of chains. Next, in the fourth chain from the hook, make a double crochet. And make one double crochet in each stitch across. I like to use one color for the double crochet rows, then switch over to another color for the bead stitch rows, but you can continue using the same color if you wish. To begin row 2, we're going to chain 1 and then turn our work. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Now, we're going to do a slightly modified treble crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around your hook twice. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and just take off one loop from your hook. Yarn over and 2 loops. Yarn over and 2 loops. Then yarn over and take off the final 2 loops. Push that tall stitch you just made over to the side. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. You can see how the modified treble creates a puffy dotted bead texture. In the next stitch, we'll do that modified treble stitch again. Yarn over and take off just 1 loop. Yarn over and 2 loops. Yarn over and 2 loops. Then yarn over and take off the final 2 loops. Push the stitch towards the side and make a single crochet in the next stitch. You can see the beaded texture starting to form. Continue alternating the modified treble and single crochet across the row. On the last stitch, I'm switching back to the gray color, but as mentioned before, you can continue with the same color. For row 3, chain 3 and turn. That chain 3 counts as your first double crochet stitch. For the rest of the row, just make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. At the end, I'm switching over to a pink color for the upcoming beaded row. Chain 1 and turn. For row 4, we're just going to repeat row 2. That means we're going to start with a single crochet stitch. Then alternate a modified treble crochet with a single crochet stitch across the row. Push the stitch towards the side and make a single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, we'll do that modified treble stitch again. Once you complete this row, you can switch back to the gray if you wish. For the rest of this pattern, you will continue repeating rows 2 and 3 for as long as you wish. And that's how I crochet the bead stitch.